HP laserjet 1102. This one we can take one self test. Initializing after now you can hear that sound. It's like tick tick. It's trying to pick up paper but it's not picking properly. That means this pickup roller is damaged. Need to change this pickup roller.